Going through a heat wave? Feeling like you're melting away? Here are some hacks to keep cool when temperatures soar. Maybe some you don't know. These tips can be lifesavers. First up, grab a cooling neck wrap or bandana. These are super easy to make and incredibly effective. Soak it in water, pop it in the freezer, and you're good to go. You can even add a few drops of essential oils for a refreshing scent. Instant relief on those scorching days. You'll feel like you've stepped into an oasis. Next, let's talk DIY air conditioners. This hack is perfect if you don't have an AC or if you're trying to save on electricity. All you need is a fan and a bowl of ice. Simple, right? Place the bowl in front of fan and enjoy the cool breeze. Feeling the heat? Not anymore. Apply peppermint oil or aloe vera tea tree, could work too, to your pulse points. These natural coolants work wonders. It's like a mini air conditioner for your body. You'll feel the difference. Hang damp sheets in front of open windows. This old school trick is surprisingly effective. As the air flows through, it cools down. Simple yet effective. Your room will feel much cooler. Your room will feel like an oasis in no time. Perfect for those hot summer afternoons. For sleeping, dampen a sheet or large towel and use it as a blanket with a fan blowing over you. Keep a spray bottle filled with cold water. This is a quick and easy way to cool down. Mist yourself for an instant refreshment. It's like a mini spa treatment. You'll feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Swap your traditional pillow for a buckwheat pillow. These pillows are breathable and don't retain heat. It doesn't retain heat, so you can sleep cool and comfy all night long. Say goodbye to sweaty nights, freeze a gel pack, and use it as a cooling pad in bed. This is a fantastic way to stay cool while you sleep. Perfect for those hot summer nights. You'll sleep like a baby. Here's a fun one. Eat spicy foods. It might sound counterintuitive, or have a hot drink. It works, as they can make you sweat. And sweating helps cool the body through evaporation. Finally, place your wrists under cold running water. This is a quick and effective way to cool down. Blood vessels are close to the skin's surface, so you'll feel the difference immediately. All right, folks, I hope you found them helpful. Give them a try and beat the heat like a pro. You'll be the coolest person around, literally. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got plenty more tips and tricks coming your way. Bye. Stay cool.